Big up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And before we get into the blog, I beg everybody just click that like bell there, click subscribe. And also we want to give Father God thanks because we have life, and we have to give God thanks because life are the greatest. Once we have life, anything is possible. Alright everybody, so you see what's happening. Jamaica pulled off a massive win where the Commonwealth game is concerned, and that's for the netball match. All right, so you can see the ladies there celebrating everybody. Just gonna jump into the intro real quick, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you a video of the championship and everything.
Last few seconds. That is what it means.
Oh, Rob Wright, that Jamaican defensive technical coach, so pleased. But Bueta says, I'm still in this game, but it's all too little, too late.
Jamaicans are on the court. They're dancing in the stands. They're dancing in their huddles. This was just a pool match, but this was no ordinary pool match. This was about taking the pool, about marching into finals weekend, about showing Australia that Jamaica are here and they mean business. Jamaica 57, Australia 55.
All right, there you have it, my people. There you have it. Wonderful job to the ladies. And let's come together and congratulate the ladies. And everybody, please put some comments down in the commentary. Make the comment section active, because we have to big up them ladies here. Hopefully them pass through on the channel and see say, we big them up because we love what go on. People, enough bad things are going on in our country. We have to highlight the positive ones as well. You understand? And we want to big up Janelle Fowler. She led the team in a stunning win, a massive win. 57 to 55 upset in the Commonwealth game pool. And she said Australia is the number one team and we beat them. So this means we can do anything. And I am behind that 100%. Jamaican Chat is behind that 100%, people. So people, just to give you some more information on it, because this is pretty much the pre-tournament favorites, and to win the gold medal it will allow a face-off between winners on Thursday, the final preliminary match between England and New Zealand in a blockbuster semi-final. So Jamaica will take on the losing side, right? So England and New Zealand are gonna play, and who lose, that's the side Jamaica is gonna play, and then that's gonna determine, win or lose in terms of silver or gold. And I mean, the spot done there for we already in terms of silver or gold, but at the goal of one, definitely. And as the females say, we done beat the number one side in the thing already, people, because if we never know, Australia a big side, in the whole Commonwealth games, the game pool for netball and all of that. So based on the fact say we'll take down them, we're confident enough say we can win the whole championship. You understand? So that is a good look, people. That is a good look. You understand? So everybody, this is where I'm gonna jump off, and thank you so much for joining me on Jamaican Chat. As I say, everybody, like up that video here. Other persons for know what go on in a Jamaica, make them know say good things still are go on, boy. You understand? And leave a comment, make you know how you feel. You understand? You like the good news? Well, most like the good news. You understand? Pick up on yourself, everybody. Thank you for joining me on Jamaican Chat. I'm out.